Alright, so my first video got fucked up. We got a 2002 Jeep Cherokee. It's 4.7 V8. It's got 60,000 miles on it. And I'm dealing with a no start issue. Turn the key, I get nothing. Alright. Well, here's what you do. You come over here and you read this thing. It says starter module. Okay, this thing's got a brand new starter on it. I'm going to take out the starter relay. Alright, and I'm going to jump that right there. And this thing's going to crank up. You can use a paper clip or whatever you've got. I've got this. And here we go. That's how you fix a no start on a 99 through 2002 Jeep Cherokee when the key don't work.